It's been quite some time. I think I can't even remember the last time I did a vlog. I think it was December. Was it? Was it really December? My god, it must have been. Yeah, I kind of unintentionally took a break from YouTube, and it kind of just went on a little bit longer than I was expecting it to. I don't know, I'm just kind of in a weird social media space right now. I just kind of haven't really been motivated to like be on like Instagram, YouTube, the lot. I've just kind of not really been into it. Yeah, I have been posting a lot more on my Lola Does What page, which is just more like fashion, lifestyle things. I've just kind of been more into like fashion, style, putting looks together. It's kind of where my creativity has been going lately. So I was just kind of going with that motivation. But yeah, I don't know, social media is weird lately for me. I don't know. It's just a weird space. So I guess I'm just trying to find my rhythm again. So I thought I would come back with a vlog. We can have a chat. I moved. Well, we moved, me and my boyfriend. We're still in Vancouver. We just moved closer to downtown. Not downtown, but just like closer. It's so nice where we live now. It's so quiet. It's such a nice neighborhood. Yeah, we moved like 2 weeks ago, so my makeup room is still a little bit crazy. But I'll show you like little bits. I'll show you around. I'm probably not going to do like a full apartment tour because I don't know, I like to keep some things private, but I will obviously show you rooms and show you areas. Like I want to decorate and do the space up, so obviously I will like vlog that if you're interested in those type of vlogs. But I kind of want to keep the space very minimal but very cozy. We're in like a heritage building, so this building was built in 1928, so it's pretty old, but it's very well kept. I just love the living area, especially it has these like arches and it has a fireplace and it just has everything that I love. I was just honestly sick of the standard like newer apartments because I just kind of find them boring. For me anyway, I was just over it. I wanted something that had a bit more character to it, and I find that heritage homes do. So I'm so obsessed with where we live now. It's such a little vibe, and it's so much bigger than our last place, so it's great to have all that extra space. I've been decluttering so much stuff. I've gotten rid of boxes and bags of stuff. I've dropped stuff off to the charity shop. I've like given stuff away. I've thrown stuff out. Like I am on major declutter mode because I feel like you don't realize how much stuff you have until you're moving and you're packing it all up. And I'll insert a picture here somewhere of like our living area when we moved in, because that's where we kept all the boxes, and like there was still more than that, and we still have like a whole storage unit full which we have to go through, but I'm not even going near there because that is little Spidey territory. So Jay is on his own with that one. I can't even go down there. That's terrifying. But yeah, I just love it here. It's so quiet. Where I lived before, it was constant construction, and I am not even joking. That was kind of like another reason why I stopped filming, mainly, especially YouTube, like makeup tutorials, because all you could hear in the background was all of the drills, all the banging. It was like insane, and we were 26 floors up in the last place, and it was just, we may as well be on the ground level. I have like video clips of the noise. I'll put it here so you can see what I had to deal with for months. So that's what I had to deal with. Fun times, right? It was a disaster. So I was just ready to get out of there. Moving is stressful. It's so stressful. As we were packing up the old place and tidying and cleaning, like we fucking cleaned that place within an inch of its life. And it just seemed to go on forever. It seemed like we'd get one room done, we'd get like so much packed up, and then I'd look around and there was just shit everywhere all the time. I was so defeated. I was like, why is there so much stuff? And I think because of that, I was like, I'm literally getting rid of everything. I don't care. It's all going. So I have been on major declutter mode because there's only so much stuff you need, right? We need very little, if we're being honest. So I'm just about to head out. I want to go to Zara because it's been a while, and I want to get some new little jumpers. This one is actually a jumper that I got from Zara. probably 2 years ago now, I'd say. But I love it. It's kind of itchy, but I just put like a t-shirt underneath so it wouldn't be, you can kind of see the t-shirt, but whatever. So it wouldn't be as itchy. But I just really love Zara's knitted jumpers because it's just nice and cozy. So I'm gonna go and see if I can pick up a few, because I did have a couple of cream jumpers that I got rid of. They were just kind of old and, you know, they were ready to go. So I want to get another cream one because I'll wear that one a lot, and then I just kind of want to see what else they have. So I'm going into Metro Town for that because they have a new big store out there, which is so nice and it's so good. So I'm going to go out there, and on my way I'm going to stop by one of the little thrifties. Of course, any excuse to go to a thrifty. There's like a Salvation Army on the way, so I'm going to go there just to see. I've picked up a few gems in that one before, so I'm gonna go there and have a little look, and then I'm gonna go to Zara, and then I'm just gonna go around the centre because it's Jay's birthday on Sunday. I have some bits from already, but I want to just pick up a few more little prezzies. So like here we have like a whole dining room, which we've never had before. Don't mind the mess, this is just paperwork. This is actually a tote full of makeup palettes and some handbags that need to go into my makeup room, but it's just there for the time being. So I have going to pick up a table on Sunday, so I'm going to put that here. I want to get like nice curtains, just like a sheer curtain that goes here. So I'm going to put the pole up really high and just have them draped down. I'm just going to put it on that window because there's a rad here that it won't really work. So I was going to put one here. I'm also going to take this light out and get a new light. She pretty much said we can do whatever we want here, so you best believe I'm going to decorate it how I want. The floor is like the original hardwood floor, which I love. Like I love this design here. So yeah, I'm going to get probably like a nice rug here as well. And so that is our little dining room. I'm so obsessed with these like glass doors, and this is like a closet inside, or like it's like shelves inside. I have started to kind of decorate it, don't mind, it's still a bit messy, but I got these books from the thrift store the other day. I made a little reel, I'll insert it here so you can watch it. But basically these had covers on them, so I took the covers off because I wanted it all nice and beige. So I have one little bit of my shelf done. Over here I just like have a little Buddha and a little Dior book and a little vintage vase that I got. These are just there for now because the cats were eating them. But I have this cute little mirror. I don't really know what to do here. I don't want to just like shove it full of shit. I want it to look really cute. These are some candles that I got from House of Lacquer. The girl who does my nails, she has her own little candle business, and honestly they smell so amazing. So she gave me the new ones, so I just have them in here for now. But I'll probably get rid of this tray because it doesn't really go. But yeah, I just kind of want this to be cute and like not cluttered. And these are like the arches I was telling you about. Oh, I'm just so obsessed. And even the wall has this like texture to it. It just has so much more character to it than my old place. And then it has more arches over here. I love it so much, I can't even explain. Finally home. I felt like I've been out for about 10 years. It was just a bit wild outside today. Yeah, all I can see when I look at myself is this pimple. I've had this for about 2 weeks. I had that when I moved in and it's just there. He's like dead now, I can't feel anything, but it's just like, it's still a bump. It's just hanging about in the probably the worst spot, like literally. Garfield, say hello. Big yawn. That's a big yawn. Ignore my couch, by the way, it's in the middle of getting washed. I pulled the covers off the bottom part and washed them and dried them, so I just need to put them back on, but I can't do it myself, so I have to wait till Jay gets back and we'll put them on, and then I'm gonna like take all these off and give it a wash. But yeah, I got an email this morning from IKEA to say that the lamps that I was looking at are back in stock, so I literally just jumped in the car and flew to IKEA because these were sold out and I had a feeling that they were going to sell out again pretty quick. And they're these like little mushroom lamps. I thought they were really cute. They looked really cute online, so we shall see. I just thought they would be really cute for the bedroom, just to have two new bedside lockers or bedside lamps. So this is the base. I think it's gonna be cute. I want to keep everything color wise very beigey, creamy, neutrals, because at least that way I won't get sick of looking at it. Whereas if something is very colorful, I know me, I'll get bored of stuff very easily. So I'm gonna keep everything neutral, and then I won't wreck my head. Hey buddy, in the bag. These are cute. How cute! That has to like screw in. I just want to put the bulb in. These are called Dejsa. I don't know. D-E-J-S-A. I'll link them below anyway, just if anyone wants to know or anyone's interested, because I think they're real cute. I love it. This is really cute. I'm glad it turned out how I wanted it. I almost forgot to show you. This is the jumper that I got from Zara yesterday, so it just kind of hangs. I'll usually like tuck it in, whatever, depending on what I'm wearing, but this is what it looks like. It's really, really soft. I find that some of Zara's jumpers can be itchy. This one isn't. It's really, really, really nice and soft. So I really like this. It's such a good like neutral color, so you can wear it with so many different things, so many different outfits. So I'm glad I got that. I also got these leggings, high-rise leggings. I haven't even tried them on, but I just really liked the color. I'm very into brown right now. So yeah, I got them. I think they were like $40 or something like that. I'll link both these and the jumper in the description anyway if you wanted to have a look. But that's all I got in Zara. It was a very minimal shop. So I'm gonna probably go now because this makeup room, I just want to get it done. So I'm just going to get stuck into this room over the weekend so I can come in here and feel inspired. If I do anything exciting, I'll vlog it and I'll add it to the next one. But until then, I'm gonna end it here, and I hope you have a great day, weekend. I don't even know when this is gonna go live, hopefully sooner rather than later, and I will chat to you soon.